Are you currently wondering how you can make money online? Something that is really easy, doesn't take a long time to do, and some of it is even automated by using some free apps? Well, put that laptop down for a second and listen up. You can use your laptop, you can use your desktop, you might even be able to use a cell phone. And the cool thing about it is that I know there's a lot of things going on with Bitcoin and things look really up and up, but sometimes it can be confusing for people. And most of all, you want something that is free and easy to use. With the whole idea of going on that wonderful vacation you've always dreamed of, wouldn't it be great that you can have enough money to go wherever you want, however you want, spend as much money as you want, and have that freedom? Just take a few seconds here and think about your goals in life. What do you need to do to accomplish going on these European vacations? Or maybe even going to that wonderful place that you've always wanted to go, and that is called the beach. How about a nice beach vacation on an island in Saint somewhere? Would you agree if you said yes to all of those questions I asked? Then strap in and learn how you can make money online now.
But before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification so you can get notified when I put up a new video. And would you also please click that like button down below? I would appreciate it. So now let's jump into the video.
Okay, here you go, folks. Here's another site in question. I've not talked to you guys about this before. It is called ClicksGenie. And with ClicksGenie, as it says, you get paid to read emails. And you can make up to 0.042 cents for every email you read. Now you're probably going, ugh, no. This is going to take a long time in order for me to make over $1,000, Bob. What's the deal? The deal is you need to register here first, all right? And then go through the emails. It has a very friendly interface. You have multiple earning options. So here's where you can make more money. You earn money from reading emails at your own pace, and you earn even more by inviting your friends. And it has multiple levels of commissions, okay? You can earn more for every active referral you get, up to 5 levels deep, up to 320. So this is where the big money is made, okay? It's not just from reading emails, but it's from inviting people to this site. Oh, it says could read more here. There we go. All right. So this is their referral commission plan. So at level 1, paid to read emails commission, and I guess that's you get 100%. And then level 2, 70, level 3, 60, level 4, 50, level 5, 40. So you get direct referrals at level 1. Okay, I guess that's 100%. That's pretty good. At level 2, your direct referrals of direct referrals. And level 3, your direct referrals of direct referrals of direct referrals, etc. So go ahead and get your account now and get started with this. It's secure, it's transparent, and it's super fast. And your payments are instant every time. All payments on ClicksGenie are instant. Your payout is you can get paid in minutes. And they have, what's really cool is that you get a penny minimum payout. Your first minimum payout is just a penny, and it's instant. And you have multiple payment options. You can get paid through Bitcoin or Perfect Money instantly. And here are some payment proofs. And it doesn't look like a lot, right? It's because probably these people are not in the referral program, because for one person you can make up to just 4 cents. Now I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it's a way that you can make money. Now on the flip side, if you're a business entrepreneur and you want to advertise your business, this is a good place to do it as well. So you can register here. They have a strong anti-cheat program. You can start and pause your campaign at any time. You can also purchase additional clicks. So if you're an advertiser, this is a pretty cool place to advertise your business as well, and you will get traffic to your site. So it works both ways. So I hope you got some good information on this, and if you did, please give this a like, and please share this with everybody you know, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what country you're from so I can pinpoint some how to make money online for wherever you live. So go ahead and put that in, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's go make some money now.